हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। स्वागत है आपका एक बार फिर से हमारे चैनल पर। फॉर फ्यूचर अपडेट्स एंड फॉर फ्री प्रीमियम अकाउंट्स एंड एप्स, free Steam games and much more exclusive tips and tricks, join us on Discord and the link to that will be in the description below. For free premium accounts of different platforms, you can also go to our website, that is pbunified.blogspot.com. And today we'll show you how you can add multiple links in Instagram bio. So without any further ado, let's get started. Finally on Instagram and Twitter as well, and the link to both of them is in the description, so follow us there if you want much more giveaways. So the first thing that you have to do is go to this link, and don't worry, this link will be in the description below. Once the page opens up, you will see this Linktree website, and then all you have to do is click on get started for free. Then simply sign up for your Linktree account. So put on your email, that is Pbunified, and your username, password, repeat password, and click on register. Next, get started. Tell them about yourself. What do you want? The 3 categories that describes your Linktree. I have selected creative, gaming, and education. And then click on I am not a robot. Select and verify the images. Then click on save details. And don't forget to write your name like I did, Pbunified, and click on save details. Now once all of this is done, you can now get the free plan that includes unlimited links on your Linktree. See the total number of times each link has been clicked, and you are all signed up now. Thanks for signing up. To verify your account, of course you'll have to verify your Gmail account, and this is what it looks like once you verify your account. Now you can add a new link. Just click on add a new link, and there you can copy and paste your link and give it a title as well. This is our Discord link. I'll just copy it and paste it right there. So here you can see I have copy and pasted our YouTube channel's link, our Discord link, and now I'm gonna enter our website's link. You all know that, pbunified.blogspot.com. Once you have added all of your links, then you can add any profile picture. So now I'm gonna pick an image and select our channel's image as our picture. Select it, save, and then click on upload. And there it is. Our picture is now set up. These are all the themes for the pro version, and there are some for the free version. Now I'm gonna select one of it. Let's see. Should I select one? Yeah, that's no one. Okay. And these are the latest changes, new link types and everything. And this is my link tree. This is now formed. This is a combined link for all of the links that I added. So now I'm just gonna copy this link, and now I'm gonna post this link to my Instagram's bio. As we all know, we are only allowed with one link, and we are giving away Epic Games account with GTA 5 in it, as you already know. And the giveaway is being held on our Instagram, so do follow us there, and the link to our Instagram is in the description below. So now all I'll have to do is go to edit profile. So I'm gonna go to website and remove this website's link, and I'm gonna put in my Linktree's link here and click on submit. Show you our Instagram. You can see the Linktree's link right there. I'm gonna click on that, and you can see it right there. Website, Discord, and YouTube, all the 3 links are right there. Just click on them and you will be directed to our web pages. So I'm gonna click on website to show you that it actually works. Let me click on Discord as well, and that is our Discord server. And YouTube, that is our YouTube channel as well. And with this, we'll be wrapping up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share the video and comment down below what kind of videos you want us to make next. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to always stay updated.
Do you love me?